The Oakley Company. Oakley Reed Studios. And now, the tales of Buggy and Buzzy. Here are your hostess and the moses, Buggy and Buzzy and Buggy Jr. This is it, everyone. This is it. Only 4 more episodes left. I'm so excited. Alright, Buzzy, sing that song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we do lots of crazy shit. This is Buggy and I'm Buzzy, and we do lots of crazy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. La 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 la. Do a lot of shit we haven't done ever since 2019. I don't give a hell if a porcupine catch me.
The Tales of Buggy and Buzzy, created by Raymond Griffin, executive producer Raymond Griffin.
Note, this episode was meant to be recorded on the day after our previous episode, episode 20, season 2, Hurry Up, was finished. Yeah. So, that's what happened. Anyways, let's go. Episode 21, season 2, Restoration, written and directed by Chris A. Fieldman. And breaking news, and the Amazing Digital Circus final episode is going to be released on June 19th, 2026, which is today, in approximately 4 to 5 hours from now. Wait, so does that mean... Yes, it means we're gonna watch the Amazing Digital Circus! Grand finale, 400. Imagine if that will be a lottery number. Well, they always go up big numbers, so I don't know if that's gonna happen, nephew. Yeah, whatever, Uncle Buzzy. Well, there is this old church that we need to build back up again. You remember that, Buzzy? The old Bugtown Church? Oh yeah, I remember that place. That place used to be the place where just about anyone can do whatever they like. And also, is your eye broken? Yeah, it's probably because of being spanked on the floor. So that's what happened. Jeez. Well, you better be careful with that floor, because that floor will make your eyes break out. And look, I even got my eye broken too. That's just a bit of sting on you, Buzzy. Whatever. Anyways, let's go restore the church! At the old Bugtown Church. Ah, there you are, Buggy, Buzzy, and Buggy Jr. We were expecting you. Oh, were you Mal, Kyle the Toucan? Yep, we were. Who else is helping? Harriet and Ziggy. Ah, that's cool. Alright, everybody. Let's get to work, gentlemen. Restoration montage.
Is too good to be
go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Heart to heart. And we can build this thing together. Stand to shine forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world gonna power, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ew. Oh yeah. All that I need, all that I need, all I want is you. Yeah. Let's restore this church, baby. We're gonna restore it. Ow! And we can build this thing together. Stand each song forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world comes out to fallen, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world is coming to an end, we'll still have each other. On and 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 on. Let's build this thing together. Stand each long forever, yeah. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, ooh. Nothing's gonna stop us now, baby. Yeah, 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 oh, yeah. Restoration montage over. Ding, ding, ding. And there you have it. That's how you restore a building. Look at it. It looks like it's brand new. That's because we used window wipers, paint brushes, our whole body to paint this stupid entire wall, and we even used hammers to nail down a few bits of wall. Yeah. Who's that? Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Back, and I am the owner of this here church. So, how well did you guys do on this restoration? Well, it's good, thank you, Mr. Back. Oh, you're welcome. Alright, here's your restoration badges. One for you, Buggy, one for you, Buzzy, one for you, Buggy Jr., and one for you, Kyle Toucan, and one for you, Ollie the Octopus. Thank you. You're welcome, everybody. Stay tuned for the final episode of the Amazing Digital Circus. Even Mr. Back knows? Yep, everybody knows now. Whoa. Well, we better get going. Yeah, I'm getting tired. Let's go. Bye, everyone. Bye, Kyle the Toucan. And Ollie the Octopus. Oh yeah, what a day this has been for all of us. We restored a new building, we found out the Amazing Digital Circus episode 9's been coming out, and it's gonna come out today, and yeah, everything's good. Well everybody, thank you for watching this quick episode of the Tales of Buggy and Buzzy. We'll see you on our next episode. And next episode is gonna be a bit tense, because, well, I'd rather not ask. So, we will salute you a farewell from us for now. Goodbye, everyone! My god, why does this church have a long hallway? I don't know. The end.
That's all, folks.
Copyright 2026, Oakley Reed Studios Inc. All rights reserved. The Oakley Company. Oakley Reed Studios.